Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe I'll be showing you how to make liver tasty and delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new, like, share, and please comment. This is 1 kilogram liver, fresh beef liver. Liver is very good fried. I cut it into small, thick cubes. As I am chopping the liver, I am going to add into the container. Then I'm going to add in some aromat. I love aromat. Then I'm gonna add in some Robertson spice. That one is a stick and chops. Then all together I'm going to mix everything in all. I mix. Then I'm just gonna leave for a few minutes marinating. For my vegetables, I chopped green, red, and yellow pepper, and also one full onion. Then I also chopped in one full carrot. Just gonna slice everything in cubes too. There is my marinated liver, yellow, red, and green bell pepper, then carrots, and one onion. Over here I'm going to add in the vegetable oil, and then I'm just gonna make sure it's hot. Then I'm gonna go in with all the marinated liver into the pot. Lower the heat and lay the slices of liver in hot oil. Cook them for 8 to 10 minutes, turning often, frying everything all in there. Make a gravy, guys, when cooking the liver. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Now we add in the carrots, then we are going to fry, and then we add in the onion, then we fry everything all together. We fry, keep on turning more often, and cover so that it cooks. Then I add in the vegetables, the green, yellow pepper all together in there, and then keep on frying. Fry. This is like cooking a stir fry. Fry, toss everything and toss, and in 5 or 10 minutes everything will be ready, then serving. And there is my stir fry. It's fully cooked, done. Guys, remember that rapid cooking hardens and ruins the liver. Enjoy.